What is up, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for the absolute bleeding edge of consumer technology. If you thought the tablet wars were cooling down, you are dead wrong. In fact, things are heating up in a way we have not seen in years. Samsung is preparing to drop a massive bombshell on the tech industry, a move that might completely change how we look at Android tablets forever. We are talking about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. Recent leaks and insider reports suggest Samsung is pulling a highly controversial move this year, one that could force you to completely rethink your next major tech purchase. Have they officially killed off the beloved base model? Are we looking at a mandatory premium price tag for anyone wanting to enter the flagship Galaxy ecosystem? And what exactly is going on with that leaked live image that has the entire internet buzzing? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly whether the Tab S12 Plus is the ultimate laptop replacement we have been waiting for, or a risky misstep by Samsung. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let us dive straight into the deep end. The absolute biggest news surrounding the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 lineup is not actually about what is there, but rather what is completely missing. For years, Samsung gave consumers a predictable and comfortable trio of choices: the standard base model for the budget-conscious professional, the Plus model for the power user, and the massive Ultra model for those who wanted a massive laptop replacement screen. But according to the latest database leaks and regulatory filings, it looks like the standard Galaxy Tab S12 has been completely wiped from existence. The official regulatory filings only show two models for the flagship tier, specifically for the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. What does this mean for you, the consumer? It means Samsung is aggressively pushing the floor of their premium tablet market upwards. If you want a flagship Samsung tablet in late 2026, you are going to have to step up to the Plus model right out of the gate. They clearly want the Tab S series to be perceived as an exclusively ultra-premium product line, leaving the more budget-friendly buyers to settle for their mid-range FE series or A series alternatives. It is an incredibly bold move that mirrors Apple's push with the iPad Pro lineup. But the real question remains whether the Tab S12 Plus is actually worth that new, higher premium barrier to entry. To answer that, let us talk about the physical design, because we finally have actual visual confirmation. A live image of the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus recently surfaced from a certification database, confirming its existence and giving us our very first real-world glimpse of what to expect. From what we can see, Samsung is confidently sticking to its guns. The Tab S12 Plus retains that incredibly gorgeous, impossibly thin design language that we have come to love and expect from their engineering team. The leaked photo shows the tablet with uniform bezels on all four sides, and the selfie camera is still neatly housed within the bezel on the landscape edge rather than using a punch hole cutout. The aspect ratio remains at a media-friendly 16:10, which is a crucial detail because, unlike the squarer ratios of competitors, Samsung knows its target audience absolutely loves widescreen video. This ratio is absolutely perfect for consuming cinematic content without massive black bars, immersive high-end gaming, and side-by-side split-screen multitasking. The chassis features the highly requested return of their armor aluminum construction, making the device incredibly durable despite its extremely thin profile. Colorways will likely remain professional, sleek, and understated, similar to last year's classic gray and silver aesthetics. When you have a tablet that already looks this futuristic, you do not reinvent the wheel, you simply refine the masterpiece. Now, let us get under the hood, because this is where things get incredibly spicy. What exactly is powering this ultra-premium beast? Early rumors, supply chain whispers, and initial software teardowns strongly suggest Samsung is making a huge, unprecedented pivot this year. They are heavily expected to equip the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. Now, before the die-hard Snapdragon purists completely panic, you need to hear this out. MediaTek has been on an absolute tear lately, and code found in Samsung's own software specifically identifies the exact internal designation for the brand new Dimensity 9500. The Dimensity series is shaping up to be an absolute monster when it comes to thermal efficiency and raw, unadulterated multi-core performance. It features an all-big core processor architecture, heavily updated graphics, a dedicated neural processing unit, and support for the latest Wi-Fi 7. By utilizing this cutting-edge silicon, Samsung can deliver sustained peak performance without the tablet turning into a literal heating pad during intense, graphically demanding gaming sessions or massive video rendering exports. To keep this massive, stunning screen running all day long, Samsung is packing in a truly hefty battery cell. Recent certification reports reveal that the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus will feature a rated battery capacity that will likely be marketed as a massive 10,500 or 10,600 mAh battery. Whether you are binge-watching entire streaming series on a long international flight, grinding out competitive levels in demanding mobile games, or editing a massive, complex spreadsheet for work, the Tab S12 Plus is meticulously designed to go the absolute distance, of course. You absolutely cannot talk about a premium Samsung tablet without bowing down to the display technology. The Tab S12 Plus will feature Samsung's industry-leading, flat Dynamic AMOLED panel. The contrast ratios are practically infinite, meaning the blacks are perfectly pitch black. The colors pop with incredible, lifelike vibrancy, and the buttery smooth dynamic refresh rate makes every single swipe, scroll, and stylus stroke feel as fluid as liquid silk. And yes, speaking of the stylus, unlike their biggest competitor, Samsung is fully expected to keep the absolute best stylus in the game included right inside the box. There are absolutely no extra expensive accessory purchases required to get the core tablet experience. The base storage is heavily rumored to finally ditch the restrictive 128GB tier entirely, starting at a very generous 256GB right out of the gate. Combined with a massive chunk of RAM, you are looking at a legitimate desktop-class replacement that you can effortlessly slip right into your backpack, but hardware is honestly only half the story here. The real magic of the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is going to be the software experience. The tablet is heavily expected to launch with the highly anticipated One UI 9, seamlessly layered on top of the brand new Android 17 operating system. The definitive buzzword for this upcoming generation of tech is artificial intelligence, but Samsung is taking it leagues beyond simple text generation. Android 17 and One UI 9 are bringing deep, system-level Gemini intelligence integration. Imagine having an AI assistant that actually understands the context of what is on your screen and can take complex, multi-step actions across your various apps completely on your behalf. You could literally have the AI read through a chaotic, massive email thread, pull out all the key action items, and automatically create a highly structured, perfectly formatted summary document for your team, all within seconds. Samsung's signature desktop interface mode is also getting an AI overhaul, making window management and workflow transitions smoother than ever before. This is a total paradigm shift in mobile productivity. With this level of seamless software integration, the Tab S12 Plus is no longer just a media consumption device. It is a legitimate, terrifyingly capable laptop alternative for the modern, on-the-go professional. So, the million-dollar questions remain. When can you actually get your hands on this marvel of engineering, and exactly how much is it going to hurt your bank account? Historical release patterns and current regulatory certification timelines all strongly point to a massive launch in late summer or September 2026. Samsung is gearing up for a gigantic launch, where they will likely announce the Tab S12 series. As for the price, you need to brace yourselves, because the standard base model is effectively dead and the starting storage is jumping up. You absolutely should expect a higher initial cost of entry. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse piece of technology, making zero compromises in its pursuit of perfection. By completely killing the base model, Samsung is making a very bold, very loud statement. If you want the absolute best Android tablet experience on the planet, you must play in the big leagues with a stunning AMOLED display, the unparalleled processing might of the brand new Dimensity chip, and the truly revolutionary AI capabilities of One UI 9. It just might fully justify that premium price tag. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a single upload from TechVibe. Until next time, keep chasing the future, stay tech savvy, and I will see you all in the very next video.